Hello friends, to take you to the pilgrimage sites of India, number of tour packages are launched by IRCTC, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. These tour packages of IRCTC are cheap and comfortable too. In this video, we will tell you about the details of PURI-GANGASAGAR-KOLKATA Special Tour Package for rail travel. For example, what is the name of the travel package? Where will the journey start? What will be the boarding and deboarding stations? What is the date of the travel package? How many days will the package be? Where will the journey be taken? What is included in the package? We will also tell you how much the package fare will be and how to book the package. Please remain with us till the end of this video. Like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. On this channel, you will keep getting information about new tour packages of IRCTC. Thank you. So, let's get started. Package details. PURI-GANGASAGAR-KOLKATA Special Tour Package of 7 nights and 8 days will start from Kochuvali city of Kerala on February 7, 2024. Passengers can travel from Kollam, Senkotal, Tinkashi, Rajapallayam, Shivkashi, Virudunagar, Madurai Junction, Dindigul, Palani, Podanur, Tirupur, Erode, Salem, Jalarpet, Kattapadi, Chennai Central, Gudur, Vijayawada, Samalkot, Dwara, Vijayanagaram, Palasa and Vijayawada stations. Passengers will also be able to board and deboard. Under the package, travelers will visit Lord Sri Jagannath Temple and Konark Sun Temple in Puri. Will visit Gangasagar, Kali Temple, Victoria Memorial and Dakshineshwar Temple in Kolkata. The package will include rail and bus journey and hotel, food, tourist guide and escort facilities. The starting fare of this travel package is Rs 15,100 only per person. For more information about the package and for package booking, click on the link given in the description below this video. Happy journey! How did you like our video? Please do not forget to comment in the comments box. Like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.